Oh, that feels so cool. How interesting. That's so weird. Hey guys, it's Jen of all trades. Welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing video by me. Today, as you can see from the title and this pretty little box right here, we are doing unboxing the Boxycharm for August 2019. So I did get this a few days ago. I want to get it up as soon as possible. So let's see what is in this awesome box. If you're not familiar with it, it is a $21 a month subscription. We do have Boxyluxe coming out next month, so definitely stay tuned for that. I look forward to that. That is $50 every 3 months for the upgrade, where you get like a shit ton of items, so definitely worth it. But let's see. Each month there is some kind of theme. So right here on top you can see this says totally Boxycharm. And then also on here you see all of the items that we got along with the retail prices and a little description of like what they are and stuff. So we got, oh, and you do get 5 to 6 full-size items, some samples, but like large samples. Okay. There's a lot of, oh my gosh, this box looks really good already. Okay, so right on top we have Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And I'm not opening it because I think Boxycharm needs to chill on the mascaras, because I don't know about you, but I don't go through a mascara every week or even every month. One lasts for a while and I have like 5 open and like 6 unopened. So I'm not opening this, but I will take it out of the box. So let's take a look at what it looks like. This retails for $23. It is ultra black vegan that lifts your lashes and delivers fully loaded flutter. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love the pink. It's like a metal container. Oh my gosh, I love the neon. How awesome. And this is what the brush looks like if you're curious. So that is awesome. And this is what before and after on the box. So that is like a wow difference. So that'll be interesting to see if that really works the way that it says. All right, next we have Wander Beauty, which I love. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. That's what she looks like. Now this retails for $42 and it is a beauty elixir. Instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. So super awesome, spill proof dropper, 1 drop at a time. Okay, so it's an illuminating face oil, very cool. Let's see if it has a smell. I don't know if you should shake it or like, I'm scared. I don't want it to go. Okay. Oh, it's pink. What is pink? Okay, I know it's fair on my face, but I'm putting it on my hand. Oh wow, it smells like roses. It's pink and it smells like roses. That's freaking awesome. I'm looking forward to using this. That's awesome. That smells really good. Okay. The next thing we do have is a brown pencil by Steve Laurent. And that's all this says. I just see a brown pencil. So let's read about it. So this is a lip liner. A brown lip line. I thought it was for your brows. What? It says it retails for $15. It's completely waterproof. So that is awesome. I just question the color. Who and why would use a brown lip liner? Again, with these stupid plastic things that go all the way down it. Like, who designs these packages? Like, and why is that necessary? Like, really? Like, you have to have special tools to open it. What kind of shit is this? One piece at a time. One piece at a time.
2 hours later.
No. Okay, so this is seriously, it just says chic. C-H-I-C. So I don't know if that is actually the name of the color, I guess. So it's kind of like it looks brown, but when you put it on, it's more of like a reddish brown kind of color. So I guess that might be okay, especially with like the nudie or mauve color lipsticks. I mean, so that is definitely a possibility. So this does seem like a good pencil, so I will be happy to try that out. And like I said, it is $15 for this. All right, so we have 3 more items in this box. We're gonna go ahead and pull these 2 out because they're standing out to me. They are beautiful. So we have 2 single eyeshadows, glimmer shadows from Ace Beauty. It's got a thing over the E. So let's see, we have the shade Cotton Candy and we have the shade Iced Latte. And these, oh, it's called a Glimmer Shadow Duo. So I guess they do come together, and it is $25 for both of these together. So let's take a look at some swatches and see what these are looking like. Look at the little cushion. How cute. That's so freaking cute. Okay. Beautiful. That's like a peachy color. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, you see the shine on that? Wow. That's got like a gold shimmer. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And I'm loving the whole like pink aesthetic of Boxycharm this month. Like, how cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch this one again, called Iced Latte. And they're so soft to touch, like so soft. I can see why these are a duo. They seem to go together really good. So here it looks more of like a brownie color. This is definitely more of like an orangey gold when you put it on. Look at those colors. You can legit create a whole look. I mean, you got your mascara, you have the face oil, you have the lip liner, and you have beautiful eyeshadows. Those are so pretty. Those are really, really pretty. Okay, and next we have Becca. This is a Hydra Mist set and refresh powder. Okay, set and refresh. Wow, look at how much you get. I just put fingerprints on it. Beautiful. All right, that seems like a good amount. I don't know if this is full size or what. It says 0.35 ounces. But this is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. It retails for $39. Let's talk about it. It is a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup, so it does set your makeup. Formulated with 50%. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for seamless finish and comfortable feel. Okay, I am curious to try this. Now I don't see, it just has a number on it, but I don't see what shade or color that it would be in, if that's a thing. So that's the only really kind of strange thing I'm seeing about it. Let's see, okay. So of course it has our seal. So it has a plastic lid over top of it. And then it has another sticky lid over top of that. This definitely sealed really well. And then you can see the powder in there, and it seems, okay, so this is like a little, see if I can get it down. So this is like a little grate type deal, like a sifter. So it's, ooh, it's mesh. Ooh, it's soft and meshy. I thought it was a hard thing. All right, I'm gonna go get a brush real quick and we're gonna try this out. All right, I'm back, and here we go with a fluffy brush, and we're gonna see what this feels like on our skin. Ooh, what the? Oh, that's so weird. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. Okay, that's so cool. Okay, I have never, okay, how do I describe, okay, it feels wet. When it first touches your skin, it feels wet and cool. It really legit feels cool. When it says it's a Hydra Mist refreshing, it's seriously like you just sprayed like refreshing, like a spray on your face, but it's not actually wet. That's the weirdest / coolest thing I've ever seen. Holy crap, that is amazing. And the colors, I mean, it doesn't seem like it left any type of color on me. That is freaking awesome. Best invention ever. Okay, highly recommend that. That's my favorite. Okay, let's do a recap real quick while I am just like still in whoa of this product. Okay, we have the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder that we just tried, which is amazing. We have the Tarte Mascara. We have the Illuminating Glow Ahead Face Oil. We have the Lip Liner. And then this month we did not get a palette, which is kind of weird for Boxycharm, but they totally make up for it with these two, this Duo Shadow set. So I guess this would be considered one technically, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. That is awesome. This is an amazing box, like wow. Okay, highly, highly impressed. Boxycharm did a great job. That's awesome. I mean, and for $21, like you can't beat that. Like this alone. Holy crap. Okay, seriously, amazing box. And if this is this good, I cannot wait for BoxyLuxe next month to see exactly what we're getting in that. I think it's just going to continue to be amazing. Yay! Alright, so if you guys do like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in trying or getting your own Boxycharm, I do have a referral link below, so check that out. And don't forget to, if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.